So he called me the internet's smartest douchebag. And in fact, it was the first, I'd never met the guy before. Comes up to me, hey, I'm Jason, how are you? He goes, hey, you're Jason. You're the internet's smartest douchebag, all right? His name is John Crestani. He's a super affiliate. We're friends now. I'm not mad at him, all right? He was kind of joking, all right? But it's kind of funny, like, to call someone that. Like, can you imagine you've never met anybody? And the first thing you say to them is, hey, you're a really smart douchebag, right? So why am I telling you this, okay? Human beings have this thing, and most of us suffer from it, where we're very sensitive to the labels and expectations that other people place on us. Meaning if someone says, if someone expects us to be a nice, sweet, like a polite pushover or something like that, then you're gonna act that way around them even if you don't want to, because like subconsciously they expect you to. It's like they're putting an invisible box on you and then they're holding you in that box with their expectation. Okay, and this is how most people go through life. I'm sure there's people around you, family, friends, coworkers, who expect you to be one way and you conform to how they want you to feel because you're not conscious of it, you're not alert of it, you're not aware of it. What I want you to do is stop that immediately, okay? I want you to stop letting what other people think and their expectations determine who you're gonna be in this life. We get one shot, all right? One fucking shot. Are you seriously going to let other people determine who you're gonna be with your one shot, or are you gonna be who the fuck you wanna be? All right, let me give you an example, all right? You see this wall right here? Every single one of the guys on this wall had people who called them douchebags, or called them names, or called them evil people, or mean people, or bad people, or selfish people, or assholes, or whatever you want. Winston Churchill, okay, responsible for stopping Hitler. A lot of people hated him, called him names. Okay, Larry Ellison, billionaire CEO of Oracle. Read his biography. He got hated on by almost everybody. All right, Alexander the Great conquered most of the known world by the time he was 33. Most people hated him. Osho, amazing, amazing human being. Hated on by people. Kicked out of America. Went to Italy. They kicked him out of Italy. Went to Brazil. They kicked him out of Brazil. They didn't want him. Do you think any of these guys cared what anyone else thought of them? Fuck no. Determine who you are going to be moment to moment through your own heart and your balls and your soul and your brain and no one else. And bring that person to the table and let me you in on a little secret. All right, they don't want to affect who you are. They respect and they love the guy and the girl and the person who shows up exactly who they are. We love it when we meet someone and we're like, listen, that person's a character. Like, they don't give a fuck what anyone thinks. They just do their own thing. We all respect that person. We all want to be like that person. I'm saying be that person for us so we can meet you and see you and be like, fuck, this person's cool. They're not like everyone else. They don't give a fuck what anyone thinks. They do their own thing, all right? Now, at the link below, I mentioned John Crestani. I'm doing a free training with him. You can click it. You can see what it means to be a super affiliate. All right, what is a super affiliate? It's someone who's not a copywriter, not a salesperson, not an internet marketer, doesn't have a product, doesn't have any of that shit. What they're good at is paid traffic only. They know how to drive traffic, whether it's through Facebook or Google or Instagram or Snapchat ads or whatever. All right, and they drive traffic to people's products and then they get a commission for that traffic. And John does pretty damn well doing it. How much? He makes 500 G's a month in his business as an affiliate marketer. Now at the link below, you watch the training. He's gonna take you behind the scenes of his business, show you how he's doing. He's not gonna tell you everything. That would be stupid. But he's gonna tell you a lot of it, enough for you to learn how to do it on your own and to see, is this something you might actually wanna do as a side hustle, a side income, or as a completely new thing for you. So you can use that link below. And please remember, all right, fuck what people think. Be exactly who you want to be for yourself, and also because we are begging you to be that real, authentic, raw, honest, true version of yourself as well. I'm Jason Capital, and I love you. See you soon.